Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download presentations from Tome AI. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now I didn't know what Tome is. Tome is basically an AI website where you can type in whatever you want and it will basically create entire presentation view, which is really cool. Also gives you some pre-built templates here which you can use and just edit, and you can get really professional looking template that you can use for your business or work or anything like that. Possibilities are endless with this and it just looks really clean and professional.
Let's just say we were to create our own.
Here. And
let's just say we were to create our own presentation here, and I'm going to click this, create presentation.
So let's just say we're doing ours about cats. We'll type in cats and that's literally it. Click enter, and as you can see, it's now generating an outline for us to create an entire presentation. So here we can see the title, which we can change if you don't like it, and here we can see all the pages inside of the presentation, which we can also change if you're not final. Just click continue and it's now actually making our presentation in real time. We can see it being made right in front of our eyes, which is really cool feature. So the presentation is now ready. We can now go through. It also uses AI photos for the images, which is really cool. And you know you're not going to run into any sort of issues for taking anyone to or anything like that. So when you look through it and you've decided this is perfect, this is just what you want, the way to download it would be to go in the top right corner and go up to these three dots here, and as we can see here, export to PDF. Now unfortunately you do need a pro license to be able to export it to a PDF and actually download it, because if you're using it for your job or business and it's really helping you make extra bit of money and saving you a bit of time, then it's going to work out and it's going to be 100% worth it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.